Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beautiful flowers with foam sheets. First, gather your essential crafting supplies. You will need colorful foam sheets, sharp scissors, a reliable hot glue gun, and some floral wire for stems. Also, prepare a few petal templates in various sizes and shapes. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience as we create stunning floral designs. Now let's move on to preparing our petals. Begin by tracing your chosen petal templates onto the foam sheets. Use sharp scissors to carefully cut out each individual petal. For a realistic look, gently heat the foam petals using a low-setting iron or a heat gun. While the foam is warm, delicately stretch and shape each petal to create beautiful, natural-looking curves and textures, adding depth to your flower. With your petals shaped, it is time to assemble your flower. Begin by forming the flower's center, perhaps with a small, rolled foam piece or a tightly glued circle. Next, carefully attach the smallest petals around this center using a small amount of hot glue. Continue layering the progressively larger petals, overlapping them slightly to build a full, realistic bloom. Finally, secure a floral wire stem to the base for support. To complete your beautiful foam flower, add some finishing touches. Attach green foam leaves and a calyx piece to the base of your bloom for a natural appearance. You can also enhance your flower by painting the petal edges or adding a touch of glitter for sparkle. Experiment with various foam colors and petal designs to create unique floral arrangements. Your handmade foam flowers are now ready to be displayed and admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.